If your Amazon listing is getting clicks but no sales, you might be making the mistake that sinks most sellers. The shocking truth is that almost 70% of Amazon shoppers never read past the first few lines of a product listing. That means if your words don't grab attention and build trust instantly, your listing is already dead in the water. So why do most Amazon listings fail? They look like a checklist instead of a sales pitch. Bullet points stuffed with features. Long, boring descriptions copied from the manufacturer. Zero emotion and zero connection to the customer. And here's the crazy part. Studies show that people are 2 times more likely to buy when the listing highlights benefits instead of features. Yet most sellers still write things like stainless steel handle or USB powered without answering the real question. Why should I care? That's where sales are lost. Now let's fix it with 3 actionable tips you can use today. Step 1. Lead with benefits, not features. Instead of saying waterproof watch, say never worry about rain or spills again. This works because people don't buy the thing, they buy the result. Step 2. Use power words that trigger emotion. Words like guaranteed, proven, exclusive, and easy make customers feel confident about buying. This works because emotions drive action and logic comes after. Step 3. Add social proof inside your copy. Mention reviews, ratings, or how many happy customers already bought. This works because trust is the bridge between browsing and buying. But here's the problem. Writing listings like this takes time, and staring at a blank screen can burn hours. It gets worse when you need multiple descriptions, bullet points, and add copy every single week. That's the frustration most sellers face. And it's exactly where AI Creator Max changes everything. It comes with over 100 templates for product listings, ads, emails, and more. They're all built on proven psychology like ADA, PASS, and other frameworks top marketers use. Just answer a few simple questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10 times faster so you can spend less time writing and more time selling. Try it free today at aicreatormax.com. Link below. Bonus tip: always test 2 versions of your listing. Even a small change like swapping one word in your headline can lift sales by 20% or more. And here's a funny way to remember it. If your product description sounds like the back of a cereal box, it's time to rewrite. Now you know why most Amazon listings fail and how to fix yours. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you write copy that sells across Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and more. So binge the rest of the videos to get the full playbook. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment about the biggest struggle you face with Amazon copywriting. And don't wait until tomorrow to fix your listings. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com, because every day you wait is another day of lost sales.